Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are enjoying your studies and completing your assignment in the given time. Who are not doing so, please complete your work. It's very important to take interest and be in class every day. We are giving our best effort for you all. So, from today, promise me that every student will take interest and complete their given assignment in the given time. Okay? Now, in the last class, we all have completed question and answers of the chapter The Selfish Giant. Some of the students have completed their assignment very nicely. Now, in today's class, we are going to complete the given exercises. So, I think I have given this exercise in your homework. Listen to the story and number the pictures in correct order. Have you all completed this? Let me tell you the right answer. So we have to, first of all, we have to move to page number 156. Let's take a look on that page. Now, here is chapter number 1. There lived three friends in a jungle, a deer, comma, a crow, and a mouse. Full stop. One day, a turtle came to them and said, "Can I be your friend?" "Sure," said the crow. "But what about your safety? There are many hunters around." "That's why I want to join your group," said the turtle. Soon a hunter arrived. Seeing the hunter, the deer ran away. The crow flew away and the mouse ran into a hole. The turtle tried to crawl away, but he was caught by the hunter. The turtle's friends were sad to see him trapped. They thought too they thought of a plan to free their friend. As per the plan, the deer ran ahead of the hunter and dropped on the path as if dead. The hunter saw the deer laying on the ground. He was very happy. He put the turtle on the ground and ran to pick up the deer. In the meantime, the rat nibbled the net and freed the turtle. The turtle hurriedly crawled away into the river flowing nearby. When the hunter reached the deer, it suddenly jumped up and ran away. Disappointed, the hunter turned back to collect the turtle he had left behind. But he was shocked to see the net laying nibbled at and the turtle missing. He left the forest. The four friends started living happily together. This is the story. Okay, now move to the pictures. Now, here is the picture. As I have already numbered the picture, but you can see the four friends are here. They are enjoying. Now in second picture you can see hunter is carrying turtle with him. And the third picture you can see deer is laying down and turtle is coming out of the net because the rat is nibbling his net. Now in fourth picture you can see everyone goes away. Turtle into the river and the other animals goes away. And hunter is watching them all. So you have to put these number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you all have done correctly. Now move to the next exercise. This exercise is of speaking. Speak. Repeat after the expert the vowel sound apple, A as in apple. So we will read this word. These all word we will read. You have to read with me, after me. You have to read after me. Dad, dad, cat, hand, lamp, blank, passage, fan, van, man, gap, back, maths. I hope you all have read these words very nicely. Now move to the next exercise. Here we have to grammar section. Simple present tense. I hope you know the tenses. In your last class you have read about the tenses. Here we are studying about simple present tense. Here you can see what is written here. Read this. Ranjit is saying Ram likes mangoes. And Aditi is saying Tia and Ria like bananas. Have you noticed something? Did you notice that Ranjit uses the word likes but Aditi uses the word like? You must remember that when the thing or person we are talking about subject is in the singular, we add s or es to the verb. Example, likes. Here, what is written here? Do you know? Let me tell you and explain you. Here, this is subject. You all know, I hope. This is subject. Ram is subject. The Tia and Ria is subject. So, what is Ram saying? Ram, what is Ram? Ram is a singular and Tia and Ria are plural. So, whenever we see subject is in singular form, we use s or es with the verb. And in the another line we can see, another sentence we can see Tia and Ria. These are plural. So whenever we see subject in the plural form, we do not use es and s with the verb. We use the original form of verb. In which tense? Simple present tense. Move to the next page. Now, in this page you can see what is the written in this question. On the other hand, when the thing or person subject is in the plural, we do not add s or es to the verb. As I said earlier in the last page. Now, we have to start the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. The animals dash eat together. What do you think? Subject is in plural or singular? Yes, it is in plural form. S is written here, so we can identify that this subject is in plural form. Now, what will come here? Eats or eat? With plural, what do we use? Eats or eat? Let me tell you. We use eat. Why? As I told you earlier, that with plural we do not add s or es to the verb. So we will write eat here. Now in second question, the princess dash live in a palace. Princess is singular or plural? Do you know? Yes, it's singular. Princess means Rajkumari. So here lives and live. So what will we use? Yes, we use es. lives, lives. The third, the clowns dash makes people laugh. Which word we use here? Make or makes? Well, what is the subject? Singular or plural? Yes, it's plural. So we will use make. The clowns make people laugh. The teacher dash teach well. Now here teacher is singular or plural? Can you tell me that? Yes, it's singular. So which verb we will use? Yes, we will use teach. Teach well. In the fifth question, she does dances gracefully. She is singular or plural? Yes, it's singular. So we will use dances. Dances gracefully. Very good. Now move to the next exercise. B. Here, read the table and write down in complete sentences what Akriti and Nikhil do. Use the correct form of the verbs in the colored box. Now you have to choose the correct verb from the given verbs. This is colored box as you can see, and to completing this sentence, for completing this sentence, we can use some other helping verb here. Now, wait. Akriti visits grandpa Saturday. What will be the correct answer? Akriti is singular or plural? Do you know? Yes, it's singular. So, which verb we will use? Visits. Grandpa on Saturday. Okay. Now, move to the next one. Nikhil waters plant evening. Nikhil is singular or plural? Yes, it's singular. So, which verb we will use? Waters. Plants. We have to use some other word in between. In the evening. In the third question, Akriti and Nikhil wants, goes, zoo, Sunday. So, how will we complete this sentence? Let me tell you. Akriti and Nikhil. What are these sentences? Is it singular or plural? Can you tell me? Yes, these are two-person here. So, it's a plural. It's plural. Now, how will we make that sentence? Akriti and Nikhil want, we will use go. Akriti and Nikhil want to go. Want to go to the zoo. To the zoo on Sunday. Yes, we have completed these exercises. Now move to the next one. Now, here in this next exercise, we can see can and can't. Read these sentences. I can swim, but I can't drive. I can swim, but I can drive. What does that means? What does can and can't means? Do you know? Can means, you can say its meaning. I can write his its Hindi meaning here. Can means sakna, and can't means नहीं सकना. नहीं सकना, नहीं सकता, you can say. Here I can swim. मैं तैर सकता हूँ. But I can't drive. लेकिन मैं drive नहीं कर सकता. Okay, now move to the next sentence. When we are able to do something, we use the word can. Here, the definition of can is given. Whenever we are able to do something, whatever we want to do, or whatever someone is saying us to do, if we can do that we use the word can. When we are not able to do something, we use cannot. Whenever we are not able to do that work, then we use cannot. The short form of cannot is can't. Now, in this picture, look at the pictures and complete the sentences using can or can't. A, what is this? This is a fish. A fish, what will we use here? Can or can't? Swim. We use can. A fish can swim, but it can't. Apostrophe, comma, T. A fish can swim, but it can't run. An elephant can fly or not? Yes, it can't fly. So we will use can't. Elephant can't fly, but it can walk. I can I fly? No. That's why we will use can't. I can fly an aeroplane, but I can ride a bicycle. Now move to the next exercise. So, this is the part 1 of this class. Part 2 of this class, in part 2 of this class, you can see the rest of the exercise. Okay, so open part 2 and study as per given instruction.